Okay, so this is a game called Pee-wee.Paw's Tuber Simulator, and I'm gonna play it. Push new game. Hi, how's it going, bros? My name is Pee-wee.Paw. Welcome to Pee-wee.Paw's Tuber Simulator. Let's make a video. First, you need a camera. This is the shop. Here you can buy cool stuff for your room, and well, I guess that's pretty much it. Here's the affordables section. It shows you the stuff that's available for the views you gained so far. It should be called stuff for cheap people, really, but affordables sound better. Anyway, here, take this camera. I don't mind playing for you this time, bro. Got all this tuber money, you know. Can pretty much put it anywhere you could in real life. Time to start making those heartless sons, bro. I'll put, hold on, I guess right there. Really? There? Well, you're the boss. Now, finally, for real, let's make a video. Here you can decide what kind of cool video you want to make. You always have 3 ideas to choose from. For now, you can only publish 1 video at a time. But if you're smart like me, maybe, you can find a way around that later on in the game. You probably won't. Just make sure you keep an eye on what's hot and what's not with the sweet trend man. That would be so awful in real life. Select one of the 3 video ideas and watch the magic happen. Do you want to do best nachos, compassion, tapples, tap back, vegan athletes, fad meat prank? Let's do this one. Okay. Looks like that's a lot of views for you. First video, congrats. Now we're near what I get the PFF. Don't forget to claim the video to get subs. Claim. Store. Whoa, you're really poor. Looks like you can only get this cardboard box. But hey, you gotta start somewhere. Okay. Now, where will you put your new friend? He's just mean. I guess I'll put it right there. No. Now let's wait for the shipping. Wait. Pause. Time out, bro. Are you telling me I still got more than a couple seconds to wait? This is ridiculous. It's taking way too long, but there is another way. You can make things ship faster using your bucks. It's basically internet money. Open the shipping menu. In this menu, you can boost your shipping speed or just use your bucks to ship instantly if you're rich like me. Okay. Tuber. What? For now, you can only ship one item at a time. Maybe there's a way to upgrade that point as well. Wink, wink. I don't know why I wink. It is a way. Just use your brains. If the thing arrived while you were out pooping or something, don't worry. The item will be here when you get back in the game. Now it's time to make some fabulous videos on your own. Probably not as good as mine, but good luck and stay awesome, bro. Let's see. Make a video. Get pawn. For you and me. I guess we'll do this one. Get ready, get set. You're surfing on the interviews. Okay, I screwed up the rhyme. Anyway, you got a lot social internet type stuff to do here. I'll explain more in each station. You need to create an account to access the account, so you should get one that. Just remember to not read any user agreement. Okay, I'm just gonna skip that. No. So set channel name. Well, I'm gonna end it here, and y'all can choose. Vote on channel names. Do you want? Let's see. Do you want this, or do you want you say? You can choose one of those, and if they don't work, and then some, just type it, and then you can choose different names too. So just leave a comment, and I'll end the video, and bye.